are going to make pizza. For making pizza, make sure you have all these ingredients. First, we take pita bread and spread pizza sauce on it with the help of knife. Then put chicken pieces on it. If you like veggies, then you can add some of them. Like I am adding capsicum. Hey, me Emil. I'm helping my brother. Now it's time to put some onions. Now we are adding my favorite corns. Last but not least, add lots of cheese. These are the tips and tricks of baking. Our pizza is done. Please like, share and subscribe.